Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. I'm here with an unboxing for the Glam Planner Summer Mystery Kit 2020. Here it is. I'm just going to quickly go over what is included. If you don't want to see it, please click out of this video. These are the full boxes. There are 8 of them, 2 of which, the bottom middle 2, are a scene. It is a beautiful spring picnic scene. These are the heart check boxes. Beautiful pink and orangish yellow color. That scene, extra double box scene, is the large double box, which I was a little confused about why they're the same, but you can pick and choose, I suppose. There's the boxes and checklists, the scripts and deco, the icons and littles and squared off half boxes, littles and washi, and bottom washi, glitter washi, date covers, and work labels. This kit also includes 2 different colors of foiled overlays. The pink foil overlay is for that thicker strip of washi. On this page, there is also a bunch of half-cut headers, also in pink. I've never seen a kit with 2 different colors of foil overlays, so that was very cool. This next sheet of foil overlays is in blue, and it is meant to go over the full boxes. I'll show you here in a second what they are intended to look like once they're laid down. The blue foil seems to cover all of the blue elements in each of the full boxes. There's also a full set of glitter headers for fashion girl options. I'll be using the blonde and probably destashing the rest. This kit also comes with a label add-on, 2 extra box alternative skin tone options, as well as another sheet of the blue foil, 1 to cover the double box. This sheet also comes with those blue half-cut headers. You could either put that double box maybe on the weekend or in an extender. I'll probably be using an extender for that double box. That's everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.